Using Snap Tutorial, Sen2Cor Processor. This tutorial was created for Sen2Cor 2.2.1 and for Snap 4.1.0. Open the step.sa.int website in a browser. Go to Menu, Third-Party Plugins, Submenu, Sen2Cor. Open the user manual document for version 2.2.1. Go to page 35 to follow the installation procedure. The Sen2Cor 2.2.1 was developed and tested with Anaconda 4.0.0, as it can be deduced from the Anaconda update chapter in the manual. Anaconda 4 was the latest version when this version of Sen2Cor was released. This is why this tutorial is using Anaconda 4.0.0. If you plan using Anaconda 4.0.0, and you have any other version of Anaconda, you will need to uninstall it first, and then follow the next steps. To download the Anaconda 4, search for Anaconda 4 on web and follow the Continuum archive link. Choose the proper package of Anaconda 2, version 4.0.0. For my machine, it would be this one. Run the package. Choose the option to install for all users. Choose the installation folder and check the two options to extend the system path and to register as System Python. After the installation finishes, check if the path system variable includes the scripts and the library bin subfolders of your new installation. If they are not in the path, add them manually. There can be multiple installations of Python on a system. Run the command site.py/s on your system disk. If other locations for Python are present, besides the one we have just installed, make sure those locations are not added in the path system variable. For example, there is this other installation of Python, but this other location is not in the path, as can be seen. Test your Anaconda installation by opening a command line window and type conda-v. If the installation succeeded, it should display the Conda version 4.0.5. Then type Python. It should display the Python version 2.7 and the Anaconda version 4. Next, we can install the Sen2Cor package. Go to the step website and follow the proper download link for Sen2Cor, according to your operating system. Extract the archive. Step into the extracted folder and open a command prompt in that location. Type python setup.py, install. Follow the installation instructions by typing the Y letter when it is requested. When the installation finishes, type L2A_process ---- help. If no error is received, the installation succeeded. The installation adds 3 new system variables called Sen2Cor_home, Sen2Cor_bin, and gdal_data. Check these 3 variables and their values. Only the first variable value can be changed to point to the zip configuration file's location. For more details about zip files, see the manual. So we installed the Anaconda and the Sen2Cor. Now we need to integrate Sen2Cor with Snap, so that we can use it in Snap. First, we need to install the Sen2Cor plugin, if it was not already installed. Go to the menu, Tools, Submenu, Plugins, and check the tab Available Plugins. Check the Sentinel-2 Sen2Cor Processor checkbox and click Install. If the processor is not in the list, it means it was already installed, so you can go to the Update step. After plugin installation, update Snap so that you have the latest updates, in this case 4.1.0. In the Plugins window, go to tab Updates. press the button Check for updates, then check all the modules and press the Update button. Restart the Snap application. In the newly opened Snap, go to the menu Tools, submenu Manage External Tools. In the Tools table, select the Sen2Cor processor and click the button Edit. In the editing window, check the System Variables tab and see if the 3 values were updated with the local paths of the 2 tools installed. Then close the editing window in the Tools window. Open a Sentinel product, Level 1C. Wait for the product to load. After the product is loaded, go to the menu Optical, submenu Thematic Land Processing, submenu Sen2Cor. The Sen2Cor window is the window of a classic Snap operator, having 2 tabs, Input-Output Parameters and Processing Parameters. In the first tab, choose the source product as the product we have just opened. Next, Processing Parameters tab contains the resolution. You should choose the resolution value according to the one of your input product. Finally, check Display Execution Output to be able to see the Sen2Cor processor output messages, and click Run. This step may take a while, so be patient. If the process gives errors, there can be multiple causes. For the message the tool executable does not exist. There are 2 solutions. Either make sure the Python location is in the path system variable and any other Python installed is not there. Or edit the tool in Snap by setting the variable Python_bin with the full path of the Python executable. The first solution is preferable. The second should be chosen if the first one is not working. If the message says working path does not exist, you need to check the Sen2Cor_home in the System Variables tab of the tool to be an existing valid location on your disk. The third case is when the error message complains about NumPy version. In this case, a solution might be to uninstall and install again the NumPy by using the commands pip uninstall NumPy and then pip install NumPy. The fourth possible error is import error, no module named Gleamer. Fix this by running the install for Sen2Cor as local administrator, or configuring Anaconda to use the proxy server, if this is the case. The attribute error, bool object has no attribute, should be fixed if you delete other XML files besides metadata file from the products folder. Also, as an advice, do not shorten product folder name or any file name inside the product. Instead, put the product in a disk root to avoid writing or deleting file errors. When the operation finishes, check if the Level 2A product was opened in Snap. If not, check if the product was created in the same location as the original product. The output product file will have the same name as the input one, but with L1C replaced by L2A and OPAIR replaced by user. If the product is present, open it in Snap. Otherwise, please address the issue to the step forum by providing as much details as possible. Open the same band in the original and in the process product. Check the pixel values in both bands, and we can see the values are changed according to the atmospheric corrections. Then open the RGB image for each of the products and compare them visually. Thank you for watching.